Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great sports car trade-in value from Parkway RV Center. Traded for this the other day, folks. 2004 Nissan 350 ZX Convertible. Came in out of Chattanooga, Tennessee, motorhome trade-in. Gentleman and his wife traded in one toy for another. Pretty car, folks. 76,000 miles, 3.5 V6. And get this, folks, it's a 6-speed manual shift. This car is a blast to drive. Sitting on Goodyear Eagle tires, power top, got a Bose Stereo, got traction control, pretty color, black leather interior, perfect toy for summer. Twin exhaust. Man, it's a pretty car. Now, folks, I'm going to show you the best I can because I'll be completely honest with you. I'm a big guy and it's kind of hard for me to get in and out of this car. So, 6-speed manual, 76,000 miles. The air is ice cold. No check engine lights, no warning lights. Power seats, front passenger and driver seat, both power. You've got heated seats, Bose Stereo, dash looks perfect, windshield looks perfect, power windows work great. Got both remote fobs to it. It's a nice car, folks. Nice car. And it's got, I'm gonna post the horsepower because I'm not exactly sure. Read the body of the ad, I'll put the horsepower. But man, this thing will fly. You can see that's a lot of motor and a little hood. Anyway, folks, I looked these things up online. With these lower miles, these cars bring just stupid money online. I'm talking about 12, 13, 14, 15 grand for the same year model with close to the same miles. I've got a bargain price on this car. $9,500. Give us a call, 706-965-7929. Evenings and Sundays, 423-605-6747. Carfax is available. It's clean. Come out and look at this car. Come drive it. You'll be impressed, folks. $9,500, haggle-free, firm, not taking any less, folks, because you can't find these cars for this price with this low of miles, with this color and 6-speed and the combination this car has. I mean, this is pretty affordable toy, perfect just in time for spring. Thank you for watching. We do take trade-ins. Now, I will have to tell you about financing, folks. All of our lenders are set up for RV financing only since we are an RV dealership. We do take cars in on trade, but we'll have to work with your own bank or credit union if you need to secure financing for this car. Thank you for watching. You're going to love this car, I guarantee it. Hope to see you soon in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.